Hello, I Dr. Pragya Srivastava, Department of Life Science, Rabindranath Tagore University, Bhopal. Today we will discuss about the energy resources. Energy resources are essential for powering our daily lives. They can be broadly categorized into fossil fuels and renewable energy sources. Understanding the impact of each type of resources is critical for making informed decisions about energy consumption and sustainability. Fossil fuels and their impact. Environmental impact, health and safety concern, depletion of natural resources. Environmental impact, fossil fuel extraction and consumption leads to air and other pollution as well as disturbing to climate change through the release greenhouse gases. Health and safety concern, workers in the fossil fuel industry are often exposed to hazardous conditions leading to health risk and safety issues. Depletion of natural resources, fossil fuel extraction can be lead to deforestation and the depletion of other natural resources causing long term. Renewable energy sources, solar energy, renewable energy sources, solar energy, wind power, hydropower. Solar energy harnesses the power of the sun, converting it into electricity through photovoltaic cells. It is a clean and abundant energy sources. Wind power, wind turbines capture the kinetic energy to the wind producing electricity without emitting greenhouse gases or other pollutants. Hydropower, hydropower generates electricity by utilizing the energy of flowing water, making it a sustainable and reliable energy sources. Advantages of renewable energy, environmental benefits. Renewable energy sources help reduce greenhouse gas emission and minimize environmental impact. Economic opportunities, investing in renewable energy creates jobs and foster economic growth in the renewable energy. Energy security, renewable energy reduces dependency on foreign energy sources, making countries more energy independent. Public health improvement, the shift to renewable energy can lead to better air quality and improved public health outcomes. Challenges in transitioning to renewable energy. Intermittency, renewable energy sources like solar and wind are intermittent, requiring solution for energy storage and grid stability. Infrastructure upgrades, the transition requires significant investments in upgrading energy infrastructure and integrating renewable technologies. Policies and regulatory barriers, existing policies and regulations often favor fossil fuel, creating obstacles for renewable energy adoption. Energy efficiency and conservation. Energy efficiency, implementing energy efficient technologies in home and industries help reduces overall energy consumption. Conservation practices, conservation energy through measures such as improved insulation, efficient lighting and smart appliances is critical for sustainable living. The role of government and policies. Incentives and subsidies can promote the adoption of renewable energy technologies among businesses and households. Regulations and standards, establishing strict regulations and standards can encourage energy efficiency and renewable energy investment. Research and development funding, government investment in R&D is vital for driving innovation and advancement in clean energy technologies. Future prospects and innovation: smart grid system, advanced energy storage, hybrid renewable system, smart grid system, artificial intelligence in energy management, advanced energy storage, ocean energy technologies, hybrid renewable system, energy efficient transportation. Thank you.